Hello, my dingoes and wombats. I'm Gertitus, and today I'm going to show you how to catch an angry bird. Now, when I show you how to catch an angry bird today, it's going to be hard and grueling, and you might hurt the little fella.
Boss, I caught the bird. It was easy and didn't hurt him at all.
You son of a... As I was saying, it's going to be hard, grueling, and you might hurt the little fella. So let's go. Oh, right over there is the angry bird in its natural habitat. Let's go catch it. I got my catching stick out. I'm ready to go. I got it by the... No! I got him! Hurry, let's go before the cops come! Get my cell phone. Now that you've caught your bird, you can have fun slinging them into those pigs. So have fun, kids. There's a new job opening for cameraman on my team. Are you ready for the job? What happened?